Hi, this video is on how to add login to your Shopify website. My name is Adam. I'm the founder of Paid Members App for Stripe. We're a Stripe verified partner and we work on Shopify. So by login, I mean a login form that looks like this. And if your customers came to your website, they'd see in the navigation menu that there's a login link. And if your customers click on that, they'd get something like this, the login form, and they'd also get forms like the forget password form. We also allow you to create a sign up link. So if your customers clicked on sign up, they would get the sign up form and you'll see name, email, password, and you can also ask custom questions which get saved on the customer's profile. Okay, and so let's say you do have members only content. I have an example of members only content, this members only link. If someone clicks on that, they get gated off and they get the login form unless they've paid and have access to it. So let me show you what this looks like for a customer that has already become a member. So we have a pricing page here. I'm going to cover payments in another video, but we just have a Stripe payment link as a button and a Stripe payment link just as link text, and then some custom Stripe checkout code. And if a customer clicks on any of those, they go to Stripe checkout. But I already did that for a customer and I'm going to log in as that person. Okay, so we have adamanexample.com and I've entered the password. Okay, and so now they're logged in and I've given this person access to that members only page. So when I click on that, I get access to the page. And so I have direct access. I don't get that login form anymore. And also we have a direct integration with Stripe Customer Portal. So your logged in customers can click on Billing Portal. And when they click that, usually you'd need to have a developer code this and you have to have a server set up for Customer Portal, but we include that in Paid Members App. So if your customer clicks that and you have Customer Portal set up in your Stripe account, they can go to a page like this. And this allows you to not field requests for things like receipts. The customer can see their invoice history and just view a receipt by clicking there. And also they can update a payment method. For example, if your customers have a credit card that's failing, they can just add an updated payment method without sending you an email. They can just self-serve do it themselves. Also, they could update their plan. So you can see my customers on a $99 a month subscription box. And let's say they want to upgrade to my other product called the Ultimate Subscription Box. They can easily do that through Stripe Customer Portal. So here I am just consenting to that charge to upgrade. So it's that easy to allow your customers to upgrade to a higher plan. You can also allow your customers to cancel plans and even do things like pause subscriptions. What you put into your Stripe Customer Portal is all up to you, and you can set that in Stripe in your standard Stripe account in the Customer Portal section. So let me go back to the website. So we've looked at all of this, and so let me log out as this customer. I'm going to go to my account and log out, and you can see that if you're logged out and you try to go to that members only section, you again get that login form. So how do you set this all up? Well, I'm going to link to the tutorials on our website below the YouTube video. So just click on that link and we just walk you through with screenshots. And let me show you, since we're on YouTube, how to do that. So you'll just go to Online Store and click on Navigation, and you can see that under Main Menu, I have a login and sign up link. So if I click on Edit, you can see you can customize the name. So you could call it Login or Member Login or whatever you want. And then we just give you one link inside the app that you just paste here and then save. You can also see the same thing for sign up, and it's customizable. If you're on the side of the fence that likes sign up as one word, you can do that, or you can do it as 2 words. And we just give you a separate link for that if you'd like to use our optional sign up. And then the only other step is to go to theme and actions and edit code. And we give you one little snippet of code that you embed into your theme.liquid file. So let me show you where that is. You just click on theme.liquid, and scroll down until you see the closing head tag, and you paste our code right above, just like this. Okay, and so that is how you add a login form to your Shopify website. If you have any questions or concerns, just go to paidmembersapp.com and we have a little chat bot in the bottom, and you can send us an email with any questions or concerns. And if you like this video, please hit subscribe. There's lots of new updates by Stripe lately, and we're gonna release some new cool videos on Stripe payment links and Stripe checkout for Shopify users.